Transfer orders in Oracle Cloud. Hi, it's Linus, and in today's video we will cover what transfer orders are and how and why we use them in Oracle Cloud's inventory management. So transfer orders are kind of an all-in-one tool. They represent demand and supply in one single document and support inter-organization, intra-organization and intercompany transfers. Now if you're watching this video on Panamir and we went through a whole course of different transactions till now, you're probably thinking, well Linus, but we already have different options of sending material inside of the same inventory organization or between inventory organizations. So why do we need transfer orders? And there are two main reasons for transfer orders. First, we have a formal pick, pack and shipping process. And second, we can highly automate transfer orders. We can print a ton of materials, we can print loading sheets, we can track the shipping cost. We can pretty much do everything with transfer orders. And that's why close to every company uses them. And compared, for example, to the inter-organization transfer in transit that we covered in previous videos of this course, you can actually have a picking and then shipping process. Whereas in the inter-organization transfer, we just move the material directly into in transit and then receive at a destination organization. Here we can actually have picking rules, allocating the material, printing pick slips, shipping or ship confirming as soon as the truck leaves our warehouse, and then receiving at the destination organization and even return against this transfer order. So as you can see, there's a lot of different steps involved and a lot of functionality to cover. And it's super important that you really understand transfer orders if you ever want to work in inventory management. So what we're going to do in the next videos is manually create the transfer orders and walking through all of these steps together so you can learn how to create transfer orders yourself. So make sure to check out the full course here on Panamir completely for free, including a free certification. So go check it out right now.